Hey baseball fans, this is Kevin with your Rocky Mountain Vibes. Since we can't make it out to the ballpark, we decided that we were going to be bringing the ballpark out to you with some of the great new menu items that we've got coming up for the 2020 season. Today, we're going to be making one of my hometown favorites, the Sonoran dog, which originated in the Sonoran region down in Arizona and Mexico. So, any good Sonoran dog is going to start with the bun, and we're going to be using the bolillo bun, which is traditional for this type of hot dog. So I've hollowed out the center of the bolillo bun, and now I'm ready to start putting in all the good stuff. Traditional Sonoran dogs are served with ranch beans or pinto beans, whatever you can find right now, and season it however you want. But the good base is these beans. Make sure that you have a slotted spoon so you get out all of the juices. We're going to put that right into our bun. Spread it around so it's nice and even. Next comes the star of the show. Sonoran dogs are always served with a bacon-wrapped hot dog. When you're cooking these hot dogs, the key is to cook them really low and really slow. That way the bacon doesn't overcook and the hot dog has time to cook all the way through before the bacon's done. So we're going to place that bacon-wrapped hot dog, oh, looks so good, right on top of those beans. Press it in there. Then after that, we're going to be putting in our Avocado Pico de Gallo. So this isn't a guacamole. You want to make sure that you have a diced avocado, diced tomatoes, diced onions, some cilantro, a little bit of lime juice, and then some kosher salt in there as well. But what you get is that nice chunky consistency, not a guacamole like I said, but you want everything to be nice and chunky over the top. Get a good heaping spoonful of that. Right over the top of our dog. Lovely. And the best part about home cooking is it doesn't have to be perfect and you can make a little bit of a mess. After we've got our avocado pico on there, we're going to get just a little bit of our mustard over the top. And then the next traditional item that we've got on there is our Mexican crema. You can also use mayonnaise that's been thinned out with a little bit of milk, but you want this just to be pourable. So a nice zigzag pattern over the top of that. And last but not least, a little bit of garnish. I've got some fresh cut green onions that are going to go over the top of that. And there we have the Sonoran dog. All of these recipes are going to be online for you, so don't worry. Hopefully you guys are enjoying these and you get out and you have a great time at home making some of our ballpark favorites for you. Have a great day.